Hi, I'm going to show you how you can simplify a trig expression, cosine to the power 4x minus sine to the power 4x. Anytime you are working on simplification of a trig expression, you do need to think about algebraic expression. In this particular case, it is a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, similar to that one, right? So you can imagine this one as your difference of squares. So I've shown you on this side that a to the power a square minus b square form, right? So instead of assuming it in terms of um, a square, it is going to be your x square minus y square. And this is just like substitution. You think about x to be your a square, y to be your b square, and you can actually write it down as x plus y times x minus y and then substitute it back. So I'll do the same exact process for trig function, and in this case it turns out to be cosine square x whole square minus sine square x whole square, and then it is just like my a square minus b square. And if you think about expanding it as a plus b times a minus b, I've written that in this step. And you, whenever possible, you should think about substituting with the Pythagorean identity. If you can apply the Pythagorean identity, that's what you should do. So that's what I did here. Cosine square x plus cosine square x equals 1. So I have substituted with the Pythagorean identity, and the rest of the expression remains as is. So when I don't see one of the answers similar to what I have gotten, I would actually kind of look through all the options of these choices, and I noticed that there may be one choice which is written in terms of all cosine functions. So I'm actually going to substitute my sine square x in terms of cosine square x from Pythagorean identity. So I substituted that. Right, notice I've shown this part right here. So sine square x is actually 1 minus cosine square x, and I substituted that, and now you simplify and you do get the final answer of 2 cosine square x minus 1. And your final check for the answer choices in this case will be your choice B. Hope this helps. By the way, one other thing I would like you to remember, that you do need to verify your chapter R summary, where it lists all different types of expressions, how you can factorize. So you should remember another one, which is an important one, a cubed minus b cubed type. And if you remember the factorization turns out to be a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. If you know a cubed minus b cubed, you also know a cubed plus b cubed. In that case, you just change the signs, and if you notice, this sign changes to plus, and this one basically the first factor will be with plus sign, and this one will be negative. So keep in mind a cubed minus b cubed and a cubed plus b cubed, how those things can be written. So it's very important that you revise your chapter R summary. Hope this helps.